In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a simple pricing table in Wix step by step. Whether you want to clearly display your services, showcase product plans, or make it easier for visitors to understand your pricing, this simple guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, make sure you're logged into your Wix dashboard. Once you're there, look for the apps section inside the dashboard. Wix organizes these tools to help you enhance your website easily, so finding this section should be quick and straightforward. And then open the app market. This is where Wix offers a wide range of tools you can add to your site to improve functionality. In the app market, use the search bar and type in price table. The search feature makes it easy to find exactly what you need without scrolling endlessly. Once the search results appear, you'll see the price table app listed at the top. Click on it to open the app details and see how it works. This app is designed specifically to help you display pricing in a clean and professional way. Now, click on the Add to Site button. Wix will ask you to agree to the required terms and conditions, so take a quick look and confirm. After that, you can close the setup window, and Wix will automatically redirect you back to your site editor. At this point, your Wix editor will open with the pricing table already added to your page. Now, it's time to customize it. Click on the Settings option to start editing. Here, you can adjust the content, change prices, edit plan names, customize the design, and make sure the table matches your website's style perfectly. Take a few moments to explore the settings and tweak everything to your liking. The editor is very user-friendly, so don't hesitate to experiment until the pricing table looks exactly how I want it. Once you're happy with the setup, simply click Close. Your pricing table is now live on your Wix site and ready for visitors to see. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully created a clean and simple pricing table in Wix to showcase your offerings clearly. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Happy creating!